Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the date of birth in your Gmail account, step by step. It's a simple process, but following each step carefully is key to making sure everything updates correctly. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app or go to the Gmail website on your device. Once you're there, look for your profile icon at the top right corner and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Manage your Google account. This will take you to a page with all your Google account settings. From the main navigation panel, click on Personal Info. This section is where all your identity details are stored, like your name, birthday, and other personal info. Scroll down until you find the birthday section and click on it. This opens a page where your current date of birth is displayed. Now, click on the birthday field to edit it. Make sure the information you enter is accurate. This is important to avoid any future account verification issues. Once you've updated your date of birth, look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the page, and click it. That's it. Your Gmail account now has the correct date of birth saved. Remember, keeping your personal information accurate is not only important for account security, but also for the proper functioning of Google services. Double check your details whenever you make changes. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, share it with your friends who might need a little help updating their Gmail info. See you in the next video.